Good evening, and congratulations.
Thank you. Good evening.
Here is a question. According to the latest research, women are the demographic most affected by gambling. What do you think is the cause of this? And what do you think needs to be done to address this matter? Thank you.
Women can gamble due to unemployment, financial distress, or to cope with the responsibilities that they carry. I believe that firstly we need to make sure that we do not shame these women, but rather invest in their financial literacy, career development, and their self-growth and development. Because when a woman is empowered, she's confident enough, and she understands that it's about agency, and she can walk away once she realizes that it's